Why are you barking? What are you barking at? You don't like that? You don't like the camera? No, there's no reason to bark. I'm just trying to take a video of you. You're a nice boy. You're a good boy. No. Now I'm gonna brush you, and you're gonna stay calm. Don't go crazy. Come on. Stop. Come on. Ow. No. No. No, I'm trying to brush you. Sit down. No, don't pop. Ow. No. I just want to brush you. No, you don't bite the brush while I'm trying to brush you. No. No, this is gonna look like dog abuse. Stop. Now the camera's falling over. Ow! You know, this is gonna be hassle. Okay. That's awful. Why would you do that on camera? I'm just trying to brush you. Oh, now everyone's gonna think you're a bad dog. Everyone is gonna think you're a bad dog. They thought you were a good dog, and you're embarrassing me on camera. You're embarrassing me in front of everybody. Why would you do that? Why would you do that? Be a good boy. Be a good boy for the camera. Ow. Ow. Why do you bite me? Oh. Stop. Look at that. That's not a good dog. A good dog would not bite on someone's pants like that. Everyone's gonna think you're a bad dog. You're embarrassing me. Stop. There's no reason that you should bite my pants. Let go. Ow! You've already ripped my pants. Let go. God. He's embarrassed me. That's enough of that.